Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Today I am making a Christmas floral arrangement. You will need a ceramic container to put your floral picks in, and I picked up the Santa Boots container at Target's Bullseye Playground. You're going to need some Christmas floral picks, and I picked up 11 of the floral picks. You'll need some foam. You're going to need a miniature Christmas tree from Dollar Tree, some ribbon, your scissors, a floral stem wire, your wire cutters, and I will write all of this down in the description box below for you. First, you are going to want to, here's the barcode if you want to screenshot it for the little boots. First, you're going to want to take your foam and cut it so that it fits your container. Now, if your container is lightweight, you'll want to add some weight to the bottom so it does not flip over when you add your flowers. When you have your foam cut to fit, you'll want to put some hot glue in the bottom of your container and then push the foam down onto the hot glue and let it sit for a little while until it dries. And then this is just the green miniature Christmas tree from Dollar Tree. So you do not need the stand and you do not need the little plastic end piece. So just pull it right off, and you'll want to fluff your Christmas tree. And you can add some hot glue on the end of your Christmas tree, the trunk, before you push it into the foam. And I just put it right in the center of the little boots. And now I am going to be adding 3 of the silver berry picks. I just added 1 to the left, 1 to the right, and 1 to the center. Now you can pick out whatever kind of Christmas picks that you would like, but you're going to need some that have some height so that you can put them in the back. So you'll want some shorter ones and some taller ones, and I picked out 11 of them. So 1 berry on the left, 1 berry on the right, and 1 in the center. For the next ones, these are the berry and pine cone picks, so I did the same thing. 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and 1 in the center. And you'll just kind of want to step back and look at it. You may not need 11 picks, it just depends on the size of your container. You will want to fluff your floral picks before you put them in their little vase. And so now I'm adding some more of the silver berry picks. I added 1 to the left, 1 to the right, and 1 to the center again. And so that's 6 of the silver berry picks. Now you can add some poinsettias or whatever kind of flowers you want. I'm just giving you some ideas here. And then I'm going to add 2 more picks, and this is just some red berries that have glitter on them. I needed a little more red on the right side, so I put the berries right there. And then I wanted something a little different for the center, so I chose the white berry pick, and I just put them right in the very center of the bouquet. And then now I'm going to tie a bow. You do not have to tie a bow if you do not want to, but this is 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire, and I'm just tying a small double bow. After I have the bow tied, then I'll want to take some floral stem wire and wrap it tightly around the center of my bow. But I'm just going back and forth, keeping it pinched tightly in my left hand, trying to make the loops the same size on each side. And I did not let out a tail for this one. And this ribbon came from Sam's Club. And they also had at Target, the Bullseye Playground, some little elf shoes that were ceramic that would look cute with a floral arrangement in it. So if you don't like the Santa boots, maybe you would like the elf shoes. And so I'm just taking the wires. I like to leave them long, and that way after you push them in the styrofoam, it stays, and then if you want to reuse it for something else, you just pull it back out and your wires are there and you can reuse the bow. And so just kind of fluff the loops of your bow, kind of look at your arrangement, kind of straighten everything out, make sure it looks the way you want. And so this is 11 floral picks plus the miniature Christmas tree, and then I added a bow. And so this is how it looks. It's kind of a country rustic farmhouse look, very simple to make and inexpensive. So thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. And I hope everyone has a happy Thanksgiving and a Merry Christmas, and thank you so much for watching.